Hello friends, today we have with us the Group CEO of Fastway and NetPlus Broadband, Mr. Prem Oja. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, as we all know that NetPlus is now the market leader and we'd like to know more about it.
Well, it's a matter of pride for all of us. In January, we have touched a new milestone of 300,000 customers. And I'm happy that we've achieved this milestone in just about 3 years of starting our operations. We have also made it into the elite club of top 10 ISPs in the country. And probably we are the fastest to grow to this club, enter this club.
That's amazing.
Yeah. As far as the customer acquisition goes, we are a dominant market leader in the territory. And at the same time, we have the largest subscriber base. So this is how the things are as of now. And we are pretty pleased the way we have gone about it.
Sir, it's the current situation as you are discussing, but what are the future plans regarding this?
Well, I think from here we are only bound to go get stronger and stronger. With this kind of base and this kind of growth, the future looks very promising. We have made our plans for the next year and the next 3 years.
Okay.
And all I can say is in the next 1 year time, we will be doubling our subscriber base to 6 lakh customers.
Wow.
And there are a lot of other things that we are planning to grow from here on.
We'd like to know more about it, like what are the growth factors regarding it?
Well, in our business, I think there are 3 major factors that play a very important role. And we are keeping it very simple, but very focused on these 3 factors. First factor is, since it's a service business, we are delivering service and that is what earns us revenue. So we are very conscious about the best service delivery that we can give to our customers. We have invested a huge amount on the latest network equipments. At the same time, we are investing on technology to remotely manage the network and ensure that 100% uptimes are there.
Okay.
On the ground level, we have invested and developed a huge team of engineers, very qualified and talented pool of engineers. And if I give you an idea, almost for 500 customers, we have 2 engineers. So, and they are in a kilometer distance from the customer at any point in time. This is the maximum.
Okay.
So that if there is any disruption, we won't want any such. But if there is any such case, then very quick response is given to the customer and the services are restored. This is factor 1.
Okay.
The second factor is on the service reach or the geography which you cover on a for these services. So we have been rolling our services very, very rapidly. We have now expanded our services in 8 states in North India and we are covering close to 325 towns.
Okay.
But this financial year, we intend to go all India.
Okay.
I think that's another big opportunity for us. So that rollout process is on and every month we are adding a large amount of home passes. Today we are at 50 lakh home passes.
Wow.
And I think by the next year end, we will be around 75 lakh home passes or 7.5 million home passes will be there. The third factor is, adding value to the customer. Now, this has been our strength. We've offered the best value for money to all our customers ever since we came into existence. And, we were the first one to offer very high speed broadband connections. We started with 50 MB and when all other operators were offering, 1/10 of this speed. Yeah, much lesser. And we were the first one to, give truly unlimited broadband. Now all other operators have also followed suit. So we want to be always ahead in terms of adding value to customer and giving him the best value for money. So we have recently increased the speeds, which is a very important component in broadband, from 50 Mbps unlimited without any additional charges. The same plan, 499. Now we are offering 70 MB unlimited.
Wow.
So this is one value addition.
Okay.
The other value addition that we have done is, we have created very exciting combos of voice, video and data services, and any customer subscribing for these services in a bundle will almost save 45 to 50% of their cost. So with these two offerings, I think we have further added sweetener to the customer offerings. So I think these are the three factors which we've been continuously working on, and they have worked for us. And I think the next year journey will again be largely on these factors.
So as we all know that after food, cloth and shelter, internet is the new basic need. Is there any special reward for the NetPlus users, for the NetPlus family?
Well, that's a very interesting question. I think for everything that we do, customer is at the center of action. And I strongly believe that our existing customer base is the ones who gets us new customers. So we want to make them integral part of all our promotions, all our engagement, all our activities. And we have recently launched a very interesting member get member program, where any existing customer referring a new customer getting converted will be rewarded as a bill discount.
All they need to do is recommend.
They have to just recommend a prospect, and if the prospect happens to become our customer or gets on board, then the existing customer gets awarded. So this program is not a very short term one. We intend to take it long, and we want
for the
to
coming
add
financial years.
yeah,
will
possibly
it be the same?
and beyond that also.
Okay.
There is no harm in rewarding our existing customers.
Okay.
And we'll keep adding a lot of goodies in it, and we'll make this program very, very exciting.
Okay, so the coming financial year will be very beneficial for the already.
Naturally, yeah. They have to be rewarded, and they are a part of our success journey, and they are equally important stakeholders. So we'll always keep them in mind.
Thank you so very much, sir. We'll keep on following you regarding the same, and we'll like to know more and more with time. This was NetPlus and Fastway Transmission CEO Mr. Prem Oja with us. We'd like to know more from him with time, but this conversation, was very required. The rewards you announced were very required for the users of NetPlus. Thank you so very much for this conversation, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.